Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Gin with Spearing. Get innovating now with Routeco. Today's topic is repair or not to repair. That is the important question. With the current supply chain challenges being reported daily in the news, have you considered another option? Repairing products to keep your factory and production running. What are the consequences for not having that important spare part available to you when truly needed? Let's have a look at a video explaining in more detail how Routeco and Rockwell Automation can help. If you've experienced a failure and a long lead time for a replacement and want to discuss the repair options, please get in touch through the below links. Routeco is here to support your process control and automation needs. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell. Roger and I appreciate the thumbs up and comments we received. Look out for the next gym whiz spearing video coming very soon. Thank you.